In this video, we're going to show you how to create a data flow in Qlik Cloud. From the Activity Center, select Create, and then select Data Flow. Enter a name for your data flow, and select a space where you want to save it. Optionally, add a description and tags. When done, click Create. To start designing your data flow, navigate to the Editor tab in the navigation header. The first building block of your data flow is the source, which contains the data you want to prepare. You can use any data file from your catalog or upload new files. Using the search and filters, select the dataset from your list and click Next. In the summary, click Load into Data Flow. The source is added to the canvas. Processors are the building blocks that contain the different preparation functions available in a data flow. They receive the incoming data and return the prepared data to the next step in the flow. Processors allow you to perform complex extraction, transformation, and cleaning operations on diverse data with a live preview. To connect the first processor to your data source, you can either click the Action menu of the source, select Add Processor, and click the processor of your choice. Alternatively, from the Processors tab in the left panel, drag the processor of your choice and drop it on the canvas next to your source. Then, you'll need to manually connect the source and the processor. Click the processor to start configuring it in the right panel. The available functions and configuration parameters depend on each processor. In this case, in the Function Name dropdown, select Format Date. Then select the fields to process. In this case, select Date. Then select a format in the dropdown. You can also select the option Custom to set a custom pattern. When done, click Apply. Activate the Data Preview switch in the Preview panel to see the effects of a processor on a sample of your data. Add and connect as many processors as needed to prepare your data. In this case, we add a target to end the data flow. You can choose between two target types: data files for files stored in Qlik Cloud, connections to write in an external source added as a connection in Qlik Cloud. To connect a target to the rest of the flow, you can either, from the Targets tab of the left panel, drag the target type of your choice and drop it on the canvas next to the last processor, or you can click the Action menu of the last processor, select Add Target, and click the target of your choice. In this case, Data Files. Click the target to start configuring it in the right panel. Select a space in which you want to store the data flow, give a name to the file, and select an extension. When done, click Apply. When all the nodes of your data flow are connected, configured, and marked as OK, a green checkmark shows that the data flow is considered valid and can be run. Click Run Flow to start processing the data. In the Summary section, you can see general information on the flow creation, updates, and status. In Notifications, you can configure which events regarding the data flow will trigger notifications. In Run History, you can see a list of the previous data flow runs. In Published Copies, you can see in which spaces the data flow was published. When the flow has successfully completed, the prepared data output can be found in your catalog among your other assets, and in the Output section of the data flow overview for data files. You can now freely use this prepared data as a clean source to feed an AutoML experiment or in a visualization app. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.